Enchantttments is an attachment manager for Microsoft Outlook that enables you to rename, reorder, number, zip, and manage attachments in your emails. Normally, if you drag attachments around, you just add a new copy to the end of your lists and need to delete the other one manually. So you do that, you'd get rid of that, you'd get rid of that. Very painful. There's also no way to rename your files manually once you've attached them to the email. So if I wanted to rename this, I'd have to go back to my file system, rename it, reattach it. But with enchantments, that's no longer the case. So for example, here, if I wanted to rename this NDA, I can double click in there, change things as I want, and just like that, we have a renamed file, everything else is maintained. If for some reason I want to move this around, I can do that. It does it. I can sort them alphabetically if I'd like. But perhaps even better, you can number these things on the fly too. So if we do that, they're now 1 to 5, but actually I want to attach them all twice because I'm a sucker for punishment. And now they're all named something funny, they're not in order, we don't know what we want. So if we refresh this, we can see everything here. We can renumber them, but you'll see there's a new 0102 to help with sorting. So often in Windows, if you save these attachments as a recipient of this email, it won't sort correctly if you have 1 and 11 and 12. So that's no longer an issue with enchantments. And if you decide in the end you don't want to have all these duplicates, you can just select the things you don't want to have anymore, delete those, renumber everything, save them, and you're back to this new list. If you decide actually you want to zip some of them up, we can do that. We can zip up another set if you want to, and then rename the zips. Renumber everything, and you're ready to send your email. Easy as that.